Hello, and today we are going to focus on a few angle questions. This one, as you can see, they're telling us that DEF is a straight line, CE is equal to CF, angle ECF is 40 degrees, and angle DCE is 15 degrees. And now we have to find the size of the angle marked Y. So those dashes let me know that two sides are the same. If the two sides are the same, the two angles are the same, which makes that an isosceles triangle. To find the bottom two sides, I just have to take 180 minus 40 and half it to get 70 degrees. Now, I just have to find the other side of angle E because that equals 180 degrees. When I do 180, take away 70 degrees, then I see the other side of that angle is 110 degrees. Now I have another triangle. I know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180, so I'm just going to add them up to get 125. Take 125 away from 180, and that will give me the answer of 55 degrees. So Y is 55 degrees.